Notion connect two databases. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To connect two databases in Notion, start by opening your browser so you can begin the process. In the search bar, type Notion and wait for the page to load. Then select the first web that appears. After it opens, log in or sign into your account so you can access your workspace. Once you are inside, go to the private section and press the plus button on the right to create a new page. Give a name for your new page so you can keep track of it. After that, go to the main section of your new page and add a database by typing /database. When the database appears, begin giving it data based on your own preference. For example, if you want to add sample in the name property, you can do that. To add a property, click Add Property on the right section and select the type of property you want to use. Keep adding data and properties inside your first database until it looks complete to you. After you finish adding the data, go ahead and give a title to your database so it is labeled clearly. When you finish that, go back to your new page and add a new database. After you create your second database, give it a title at the top as well. Inside your new database, add the data you want to input just like you did with the first one. For example, you might want to add price as one of the entries. To do that, add a new property by clicking the Add Property button on the right. Then pick one property that you like from the menu. After entering the data for your second database, you can now connect these two databases. To do this, add a new property again inside the second database. When the small menu opens, select Relation from the list. This option allows you to create a link between the two databases. After selecting Relation, you will be able to choose the first database and link it with the second one. Once the relation is added, you can add any data from Database 1 into Database 2, making them connected and able to reference each other. This completes the process from start to finish.